Tom Cruise is crazy. I was wondering if there was a manager available to speak to.
I'm sorry, she's fairly busy at the moment. Can I take a message?
Sure.
Okay. What's the name of this message?
My name is Eric, E-R-I-C, last name Ripper, R-I-P-P-E-R. I'm calling about to see if I could book myself for live music there in July. I've called a few times and have not heard back. I'm trying to book myself there July 18th. And just a one-man band, play with a loop pedal. Yeah, just want to speak to someone on how to make that happen. Dude.
Thanks for calling Hopcat Detroit.
Dude, this happens every time I call Hopcat. Fuck them. Fuck Hopcat. Trash.
We don't really. I know. I have a music theater background as well. I love live music. We just
Awesome.
usually use playlists here unless somebody has a buyout or anything. I'm going to add your information for our event coordinator. And obviously, if you're calling, you do your own booking.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, I do this full time. I'm actually on a tour right now and I'm calling from Omaha.
I love that. How's
Yep.
it going?
Good. I left Nashville a couple weeks ago-ish.
It's a place called Old Miami. which is
Yeah,
right
I think
around
they
the
said
corner from
they
the
said no to me.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I got your information down. I'll pass it along to the manager. But if you do want to call in the morning also,
Yeah. Okay.
so you can speak to one.
Thank you for calling Alchemy, Royal Oak's destination for innovative dining and exceptional cocktails.
Hi, I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to.
Yeah, for sure. What's your name?
My name is Eric.
Well, you'd want to talk to the booking manager. That's Dominic.
Okay.
Best way to get a hold of him is send him some information by email.
Okay.
Maybe some links and stuff you're performing and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
But I can give you the email address. Tell
Sure.
me when you're ready.
Go ahead.
We have all of our live music spots booked up until pretty much fall.
When you have finished recording, simply hang up or press pound for further options.
Hello there. My name is Eric Ripper.
Thank you for checking. We have in the past on occasion, but I wasn't really privy to how it all worked. I guess we're not going to do it going forward.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. I was wondering if there's a manager available to speak to.
Manager,
Yes.
press 5.
Speak to human.
Thank you for calling Oak Park Social. To receive a text to order online.
Booking live music, if you guys do that.
Gotcha. We don't really have a spot to do that
Oh, no?
here. No, we're like a completely indoor kind of area.
Your call is extremely important to us. Please leave your name, contact.
Hi, I was wondering if you guys host live music at all and if I can book myself in the middle of July.
We don't host live music, but it's not like we're against the live music.
Okay.
So what I would suggest is emailing.
Every time we have live music, then we have VMI and ASCAP on our butt about paying artist fees. If you want, you could send us information at downeybrewingco@gmail.com, and I could talk to my husband about it.
Yeah, so I'm actually going to give you an email.
Okay.
So you'll email, are you ready?
Yep, go ahead.
If you don't hear back by like this time next week, you can give us a call again.
Sweet. Okay. Well, I'll send an email now, and then tell whoever it is to take a look at their email.
All right. Awesome. Have a great
Cool.
night.
Thanks. You too. Bye. Hi. I think I just called a second ago about the events.
Yeah.
The email bounced back at me.
Well, we don't really do live music. What do you do? I'll throw the date out at Sandy, and if she thinks it might work, we'll call you back.
Okay.
But we do live music, and that is dependent on your availability and what we can offer you. So
Okay.
I'm going to give you my owner's email because she's the one who sets up.
RIPPER.
Okay. I'll tell her. I'll send her a text too, just to look out for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, perfect. Well, hopefully see you here soon.
I hope so too. Thanks.
Have a good night.
You too. Bye.
Ripper!
What's up?
What are you doing?
I'm going to this. I'm in fucking Omaha.
Where are you?
I'm in Omaha.
I figured you were doing travel-y stuff and maybe you weren't gigging right this minute and you were just wandering.
So yeah, that's my current plans, and I have nothing to do. I'm just like sitting in my Honda or sitting in the places that I've been staying at. I'm
You're
sitting.
adventuring.
Exactly. So that's what I've been doing. What are you up to?
I like walked into the dressing rooms when Joan Jett came out and I was like, I'm fine. It's fine. Gosh, I'm honored.
All right, go ahead.
What do I say? Hi, Ripper. We love you. Proud of you. Keep yuking, my dude.
Perfect. Forgot to put on my bowling shoes.
Oh yeah.
My Disney Channel moment. Fucking suck at this game.
Did you see anything? Well, I'm not a doctor.